ये अवार्ड जो आपने जीता है, आई थिंक वन like a moment with it that we must freeze, as they say.
Out of all the people in the world in Mumbai who nominated me. So they were like, some Dr. Kalpesh Shah. So that's my husband. I was like, wow. TB किसी को भी हो सकता है. Like ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि underprivileged लोगों को ही होगा. Because that is another, a problem that we face in patients. They don't want to go to the government setup because they have long queues. I just tell them very honestly, this is the price. आप ये कीमत चुका रहे हैं मुंबई में रहने की. Like 30-year-old coming with bronchitis, which we see in a 65, 70-year. मैं तो बोलती हूँ आपको तकलीफ हो रही है, आपके पास facility है, तो बम्बई छोड़ के चले जाओ.
Oh, you guys are here. Don't worry, I am fine. In fact, दिलों की धड़कनें चल रही है, ये मैंने सुन भी लिया. But the reason I'm today in a doctor's chamber and I have the stethoscopes on instead of my headphones is because आज मैं जिनसे मिलने आई हूँ, she's a well-known doctor, Dr. Tejal Shah, who is making a difference. And of course, the winner of our Superwomania Awards. तो उनसे बात करेंगे और ये तो कुर्सी rightfully belongs to her. Doctor, all yours.
Hi, I'm Dr. Tejal Shah and I'm with Stuti on Superwomania show.
Hi guys. देखो कितने आराम से बैठे हैं हम. It's one of those rare occasions when you come to a clinic खुशी खुशी और मैं तो अपने साथ लाइट्स कैमरा सब लेके आई हूँ क्योंकि एक्शन यहाँ पे हो रहा है. Superwomania Awards हुए on 18 November 2024 in Mumbai and we have some amazing women who won it, who inspired all of us. और ऐसी एक डॉक्टर मेरे साथ हैं, डॉक्टर तेजल शाह. वेलकम टू द Superwomania show.
Wow, this sounds so exciting. It's the first time for me as well, and it was really nice, and it's really nice to reconnect with you like this on this platform.
Yes, उस दिन तो we just managed I think a quick picture
Yes, of course.
together because event और function में यही होता है. But ये award जो आपने जीता है, I think one like a moment with it that we must freeze, as they say. ये हमने बोला था लोगों को कि वो nominate करें, तो आपको किसने nominate किया for this?
My husband, I mean, and this was a surprise to me. I didn't know. I just got a call saying that you've been nominated for this award, and we would like you would like to know more about you. So I was like, really, who nominated me? Out of all the people in the world in Mumbai, who nominated me? So they were like, some Dr. Kalpesh Shah. So that's my husband. I was like, wow. So then I went back to him and I asked him, and he's like, yes, see, I've written this whole summary about you. I was like, wow, I won an award that day itself, that
How
my
cool.
husband could write so much about me.
So husband wife both in the same profession.
Yeah, we're
Doctor
both
marrying
doctors. Yes,
doctor.
yes.
ये हमेशा पता था कि डॉक्टर बनेंगे भी और फिर डॉक्टर से शादी भी करेंगे.
कोई और हमें झेल ही नहीं सकता.
आपके husband, he of course is an eye specialist.
Yes.
This clinic is an eye clinic, but ये जो है वो बहुत important काम करती हैं. You feel very passionately about eradicating TB, right? और आप BMC के साथ मिलके, in fact, you had a stint in rural Maharashtra, जहाँ से this whole influence of wanting to make a change socially happened. थोड़ा उसके बारे में बताइए हमें.
So I've studied from KM Hospital, so where we have a lot of underprivileged people, patients coming there. So we've been exposed to that strata of the society. And then I had a compulsory stint in a rural area post-marriage where I could serve for a year, and that's where we saw that simple TB medication is actually a very simple thing. It's available free of cost in the government setup, and yet people didn't have access to treatment, which is very surprising. And on coming back to Mumbai also, we saw in Mumbai, a city like Mumbai also, there are many people who don't have access to it. Obviously, they're not aware of that they have TB, or they're not aware, there's a stigma attached to it, so they don't want to take medication. So there are a lot of things in it. And slowly got, involved in projects and started working with, I started my own NGO and I started working with another NGO. And then we got integrated into the BMC setup, in the local setup. And yes, it's been a long, so formally from 2014, it got integrated with the BMC. So at least 10 years, a decade worth of work is there in TB now.
वाओ, डॉक्टर तेजल शाह के साथ हम बड़ी सारी बातें करने वाले हैं, बट बिकॉज यू वर्क सो क्लोजली विद टीबी पेशेंट्स, आई थिंक एक चीज़ जो बहुत ज़रूरी है दैट आई वांट, जो सभी सुन रहे हैं हमें, जो देख रहे हैं इस वीडियो को, आप उन्हें बताएं। लोगों को लगता है कि बस एक तरह के लोगों को ही टीबी होगा, या टीबी पेशेंट कैसे दिखता है, what are these myths, and please
Right.
bust them for
No,
us.
the first thing, as you said very correctly, TB किसी को भी हो सकता है. Like ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि अंडर प्रिविलेज लोगों को ही होगा. Anyone, a normal, a rich person who has diabetes, a girl trying to diet, बहुत सारा weight loss हो गया, 12-15 किलो का, in a very short span of time. So the quality of nutrition dependent है ये disease. क्या खाते हैं आप?
Correct.
So बहुत सारे लोग को टाइम नहीं मिलता है, बच्चे लोग पढ़ रहे हैं. So
Or you're
around
neglecting
exam
yourself
times,
for your health.
around exam times we see highest, like 10th और 12th के एग्जाम के प्रेशर में 3-3 महीनों से बच्चे ठीक से खा नहीं रहे हैं, सो नहीं रहे हैं, तो हेल्थ खराब हो जाती है. तो बेसिकली इम्यूनिटी, आपकी लड़ने की शक्ति बॉडी की कम हो जाती है, तो टीबी हो सकता
Also,
है.
any age?
एंड नो एज इज अगेन बच्चों से लेके न्यूबॉर्न, अनफॉर्चुनेटली से लेके ओल्ड एज. ऑब्वियसली इट्स मोर कॉमन इन ओल्ड एज एंड वेरी स्मॉल चिल्ड्रन, क्योंकि उनकी इम्यूनिटी कम रहती है. हाँ, वो डेवलप हुई नहीं होती है, और ओल्डर पीपल की कम रहती है. सो दैट ऑल्सो, एंड दे हैव अदर एलिमेंट्स जिसकी वजह से टीबी पकड़ सकता है. तो लेकिन टीबी सब जगह है, वो जंतु की वजह से होता है, तो इसलिए वो बहुत क्योरेबल है.
Yeah.
वो भी समझना बहुत जरूरी है.
हाँ, I'm glad
लोगों
you're
के लिए.
saying that, because ये भी एक लगता है कि oh my god,
TB हो गया, end of life.
End of life.
The minute you give the diagnosis of TB to the patient, like they are shattered, which I
Yeah.
completely understand. They're not used to it. उन्होंने ऐसे ही सुना हुआ है उसके बारे में, लेकिन बहुत ही सिंपल ट्रीटेबल प्रॉब्लम है ये, क्योंकि एक इन्फेक्शन है. Eat well, maintain your immunity. It's completely related, and immunity is related. Nutrition is the main determinant of your immunity. आप क्या खाते हो वही आपका बॉडी बोलता है. तो ज़रूरी नहीं कि आप बहुत थिन हो तो आपको हो सकता है. नहीं, अच्छी होती है इम्यूनिटी थिन लोगों की भी, एंड ऐसे ज़रूरी नहीं कि मोटे लोगों को नहीं हो सकता है टीबी. सो इट्स अबाउट वॉट यू ईट बेसिकली. और उसके साथ साथ ऐसे रोग हैं लाइक डायबिटीज़ एंड ऑल, जिसमें डायबिटीज़, एड्स, जिनको दवाइयाँ ऐसी चल रही है जिनसे इम्यूनिटी कम हो जाती है, ऐसे पेशेंट को जल्दी पकड़ लेता है टीबी. सो डायग्नोसिस, आपको अप्रोच करने के लिए कोई आपको और टेस्ट करा रहा है, सो इसके मेन सिम्टम्स होते हैं कॉफ, फीवर, वेट लॉस. सो अगर ऐसा हो रहा है जो 2-3-4 हफ्तों से ज़्यादा से हो रहा है, देन यू मस्ट गेट इट टेस्टेड, एंड यू मस्ट एटलीस्ट एंटरटेन द पॉसिबिलिटी कि टीबी हो भी सकता है आपको.
Right. Because a lot of people like to self-prescribe. ना खांसी हो रही है तो कुछ
मेडिकल में जाके
yeah,
ले लिया,
yeah,
या
yeah.
घरगुती कुछ कर लिया, विच इज़ फाइन. बट कुछ लंबा चल रहा है तो डेफिनेटली वी हैव सो मेनी थिंग्स अवेलेबल, एंड नाउ द गवर्नमेंट इज डूइंग सो मच, दे स्पेंडिंग सो मच मनी टू मेक very expensive tests accessible to the common man. So like we have a nearby government hospital where my patients, with a voucher done from the government setup, we get a free CT scan, free X-ray. So those are costly tests which are being available to the general public for the diagnosis of TB. So a lot of efforts are there going on for the TB control program, and I'm very happy to be a part of it. But I'm sitting in my clinic and doing it. I'm not going to a government setup, because that is another a problem that we face in patients. They don't want to go to the government setup because of long queues or not being treated well or whatever. So that is another plus point of this program, where we have literally nukkad pe ek private clinic hai which have specialists attached, and you can avail of free or concessional treatment.
क्योंकि हम लंग्स की बात कर रहे हैं, लंग हेल्थ की बात कर रहे हैं. मैं दिल्ली से हूँ, अब पिछले 2 साल से बॉम्बे कर्म भूमि है, बट आई बिलीव कि ऑक्सीजन नहीं दे पा रही है ये शहर, एंड वी आर competing with Delhi as far as the smog is
So
concerned.
this year, obviously, Mumbai is going to beat Delhi.
Yeah. So मैं मतलब साफ हवा के चलते यहाँ आई, ये क्या हो रहा है? तो क्या I know we are laughing because what do you do?
No, it's sad.
And authorities have to. But I hear such scary details कि आपकी लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी कम हो रही है, बहुत कम उम्र से बहुत breathing issues हो
Yes,
सकते हैं.
yes, yes.
What can we do? I mean, apart from snake plants and air purifiers, what can we do?
No, I mean, yeah, I mean, I don't know about the larger, like,
Yeah.
I know you're asking me, like, for a city, what we can do.
No, not for a
I don't
city.
know.
I'm
But for
asking
my
for-
patient,
yeah,
if
for
they
a
tell
patient,
me,
yeah.
I mean, I just tell them very honestly, this is the price. आप ये कीमत चुका रहे हैं मुंबई में रहने की. You know, like 30-year-old coming with bronchitis, which we see in a 65, 70 year. Like in textbooks, we were taught 60 के बाद आपको bronchitis होता है. जो अभी 30-40 साल के बच्चों में भी हो रहा है. So this all is because of this, but it's also because of construction. There has to be some sort of regulation about that. Vehicular pollution. I'm just listing the causes because ये 2-3-4 चीज हमारे हाथ में नहीं है. हमारे हाथ में क्या है?
हाँ, वही.
अपनी खुद की immunity. And I feel generally nowadays that early morning walk and jog and all is avoidable. I tell all my patients, especially the elderlies, कि आप शाम को जाओ. But शाम का दूसरा problem है वो traffic में चलना कहाँ. सब जगह थोड़ी पार्क रहता है. So like just go down in your building. या कोई एक हो जहाँ आप गोल गोल घूम सके उतना ही घूमिए, बहुत हो गया. घर बैठ के भी आप बहुत सारे exercises कर सकते हैं. So you can try and do that and wear a mask. I mean, COVID ने सिखा दिया है mask पहनना. Earlier people used to hate wearing masks, but now it's easier to just tell them to wear a mask, especially when you're out. There's a lot of viral bronchitis also.
Correct.
So all this dust and all along with them, there are a lot of viruses. So ये flu की season चल रही है. So this is very infectious, you know. So in OPD we wear, but outside if you know people are having cough, cold, fever, a lot of you around. So you should wear a mask. And what else can you do? I mean, nothing really. You have to do pranayam, yoga, but that's just going to tune up your lungs.
Yeah.
There's no way that you can prevent that air. As you said, air purifiers.
Yeah.
How often are you sitting in one place?
Exactly.
That is also after you afford a purifier. How long are you going to and you can't wheel it around everywhere. So वो तो practical नहीं है. Plants and all also not very practical, but yeah, I don't know. मैं तो बोलती हूँ आपको तकलीफ हो रही है, आपके पास facility है, तो बम्बई छोड़ के चले जाओ.
Your message to all the other women who are looking at you and who are very inspired, what is that one thing that you're going to tell them?
I hope you're as lucky as me. It's just that I've got good opportunities. I've been able to take these opportunities, and I feel at the end of the day, my family has helped me be where I am today. So I just wish everyone's as lucky as me, because super womania के पहले वो एक पूरा बहुत सारे there are a lot of structures that go
to kind of,
to get you there. So I just feel that was just it's not the end point, but it was something later on. There's a lot of things that have happened, and I just feel I was there and I was able to recognize these opportunities and take them, and hence.
You were speaking about how with COVID, lung doctors को भी importance मिला, but honestly, our doctors, I mean the whole fraternity, did so much during that time, and it was such a tough time that we've all seen. But आप अपना experience बताइए, because आप तब भी patients देख रहे थे.
Yeah, I didn't have a single day off. COVID has been a very difficult time for all, and we were never taught about COVID.
Correct.
Research
was happening in real time.
No one knew about it. So it was very difficult to convince ourselves. Like initially, everyone wants to do good. So we are always there. Then slowly we started seeing other doctors backing out of it. Because you start seeing when you get affected or someone closed one, you lose a closed one. So in spite of that, I was never stopped from going to work, and I managed just giving that verdict of COVID to somebody, or you have to get admitted. Oh God, it was, I mean, I used to get scared, and then someone in my family got affected, and you face it from the other side as well. So yes, COVID really taught me a lot. It matured me, but I was very happy and fortunate that I could reach out and I could, treat so many patients, whether it was online or whether in the ICU, or in my COVID care center.
You were also honored with the Governor's Award.
Yes, I was fortunate to be awarded the Governor's Award as a COVID warrior. Yes.
Very cool. Well, a COVID warrior, now a Superwomania award
new designation.
But honestly, it was such a pleasure. Thank you so much for taking out the time and speaking to us.
Thank you. Thank you so much.